On days when I'm feeling lazy and just want a quick snack, I love making my everyday simple air fryer wings. Welcome to Shin's kitchen and come along with me and I will share with you my secret recipe. Let's get started. First up, I'm going to add some garlic powder and I'm going to mix my seasoning separately. Next, I'll add some onion powder, after which some paprika. I will add some dry thyme because, flavor. I'll add black pepper because I like my food spicy. Of course, don't forget to add your salt to taste. I'll add some Chinese 5-spice powder. And finally, some cayenne pepper. Add as much cayenne pepper as you can tolerate. I will combine my spices. As you can see, my onion powder is a bit hard. I don't know, it always gets hard. I have my chicken here and I washed it properly with vinegar and lemon. And I'm going to add my spices. And I'm going to massage it in, rub it in, like rub your chicken, don't be afraid. And chicken wings are easy to season, so you don't have to let this rest at all. For me, I'm going to let it rest for 30 minutes because I was doing something else on this day. But normally, I just pop it right in the air fryer immediately. My chicken is looking well seasoned. I have my air fryer basket here and I'm adding my wings. As you can see, there isn't enough space, but I'm going to make space today. Normally, I'll do a little less. If you don't have an air fryer, you can use an oven for this recipe. I'll spray some oil on top of my chicken. You don't have to, it's optional to be honest, because chicken has oil, right? I'll pop this in the air fryer for 25 minutes. I'll flip it halfway and here is the result. These chicken wings are so juicy and delicious. You need to try this recipe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel and thank you for visiting. See you next time. Bye bye.